AWS Certified Security, Specialty Practice Tests. MyExamCloud Study Plan. 6 full-length mock exams. 1 free trial exam. Objective and random tests. Take exam in practice or learning mode. Read answers with brief explanations in ebook format. Access course content from mobile app or web browser. 368 questions. Questions are grouped based on exam topics. Plan, practice, achieve dashboard. Set goals for your AWS Security Specialty Exam preparation. Set study plan for your AWS Security Specialty course contents. Practice until you reach your target. Take objective and random tests. Take real exam with more confidence. Join MyExamCloud and take free AWS Certified Security Specialty Practice Test now.